Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by ensuring your AirPods Pro and case have enough power. Charge AirPods to at least 30% and the case to at least 50%. Inspect earbuds and case for debris or earwax buildup using a soft cloth. Keep the AirPods within 3 meters of your device while connecting and avoid metal or microwave interference nearby. Turn Bluetooth off and on in your device settings before pairing. Restart your phone or computer if Bluetooth still refuses to detect the AirPod. If simple checks fail, forget the AirPods in your device Bluetooth settings. Place both AirPods in the case and close the lid for 10 seconds. Open the lid and press the case setup button for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. With the lid open, bring the case within 3 centimeters of your device and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Confirm the device shows AirPods Pro connected under Bluetooth. Test audio playback to verify the connection is working. If resetting fails, update your phone or computer to the latest OS release. Firmware mismatches can block pairing, and updates often fix those issues. Try connecting the AirPods to a second device to isolate whether the problem is with your original device. If you still experience dropouts, move away from Wi-Fi routers and microwaves that cause interference. As a last resort, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics and possible battery or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.